In today's video, I'm going to teach you about whether BingX is working in Nigeria. Now, if you're curious about using BingX from Nigeria and want to understand how this applies to you, you're in the right place. Let's dive into these steps so you can know exactly what's going on with BingX and your access. First off, let's look at the guidance from the BingX Beginner's Guide. BingX offers a variety of services and products for global users. However, the availability of these services can vary depending on your location, which is crucial to understand for users in Nigeria. By reviewing the beginner's guide, you can gather initial insights on whether your particular area supports BingX. Secondly, it's important to head over to the list of countries with Visa or Mastercard restrictions. Why? Because these restrictions can directly impact your ability to use BingX in Nigeria. This list will show you if Nigeria has any limitations that may affect your ability to deposit or withdraw funds using these popular payment methods. You might be wondering why this matters, but it's pretty straightforward. If BingX can't accept payments from your region, it puts the availability of their services into question. So the next step is simple. Scroll down the list to continue reading. This is essential for getting a complete picture without missing any critical details. If you're looking for Nigeria specifically, keep an eye on the list and be thorough to ensure you don't overlook any restrictions that might exist. Then you're going to find out that unfortunately, Nigeria is not available for BingX services. This means that officially BingX does not operate or facilitate transactions from Nigeria. While this may be disappointing, it's always good to have clear and precise information so you can plan accordingly. After that, continue scrolling down as there might be more context or updates listed further down. Sometimes additional information is provided at the end of a document that might offer future possibilities or solutions, even if the current availability seems bleak. Finally, let's discuss some conclusions. Since BingX currently does not support Nigeria, you may need to look into alternative trading platforms that do cater to your location, or keep an eye out for any announcements by BingX if they change their stance in the future. There you have it. I hope this walkthrough was useful in providing clarity on BingX's operation in Nigeria. While the news might not be what you were hoping for, knowing the facts puts you in a better position to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.